At the edge of the graveyard, a group of curious teenagers gathers, daring each other to step inside the chilling realm where old spirits are said to roam. As they venture deeper, a cold breeze brushes against their skin, causing them to shiver. They can almost hear the whispers of the past echoing through the graveyard. Suddenly, a spectral figure emerges, and the teens are torn between fear and excitement, gripping their phones as they question if this is just a prank or something far more sinister. Compelled by an unexplainable urge, one brave soul steps forward, drawn to the ghostly apparition, while his friends gasp in disbelief at the unfolding scene. As the ethereal being gestures to a weathered tombstone, the teenagers lean in, captivated by a tale of sorrow and betrayal that binds the spirit to this haunted ground. At that moment, a chilling wind howls, and the spirit's sorrowful gaze deepens, suggesting that the secrets of the graveyard are about to be unleashed. As the earth splits open, revealing a glowing relic, the teens realize they have stumbled upon something far beyond their understanding, their hearts pounding with both fear and excitement.